Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sew by me, Juliana. Please do subscribe to my channel and also click the notification bell to know when I upload new videos. Today we'll be making a beautiful turban hat. It's easy to make, very simple and detailed, but it's very easy to follow the instructions. So let's go straight to it. Here you can see my fabric here. All you need is your fabric, your pin, your tape measure, your scissors, and these are some of the fabric also for decoration. So, but now we'll be working with this fabric. I've already cut out my fabric. What you need to do first is to measure. Place your measuring tape around your head to get the circumference of your head. Once you've done that, you put it down. Mine is 25 inches. It's 24, but I added extra inches for the sewing allowance. And also check the length. You can check the length like so. This is your tape. Place it like so. You know where the hat, you want the hat to the back of your neck here, where your hat normally stops. So put your tape here. There you get the size, the length of your hat. Mine, I'll be working with 16 inches, but I added extra 1 inch for my sewing allowance. So now I've already cut out my fabric and all the measurements. So after doing that, the next thing to do is to fold your fabric into two. You see? You fold like so. When you cut out all this measurement, fold it like so. When you fold it, you cut out, just eyeball it. Either you use your plate. Okay, hold on a bit. Yes, in order to, the easiest way to do this, to get the shape of the hat first, place the plate like so. Any of your plate, and then use it as your guide to trip off the bit of the fabric to get the hat shape. As you guys can see now, you can use your needle, your pins to get the measurement. But now what I will do is to just go straight as the plate still remains there. You see? You see, the essence of doing this is to get the nice curvy hat shape. Like so. You guys can see what I did. Just to get the essence of putting this plate is to get this nice hat shape. Trim off the excess fabric. Yes. So, yes, you remove your plate. You see, now we have the hat shape. You see, the whole thing is coming in together. So, now the next thing to do is to use your pins. Use your pin. Pin is very important. Use your pin to hold your fabric together. This is a nice turban hat. You can equally wear it as a winter hat. Those of you that lives in cold countries, you can wear this, use it as your turban hat or as your winter hat. So now I'll take it to my machine and stitch it from here till the end. So from here to the end, I'll come back and show you guys the next step. Yes, as you guys can see, I've finished sewing it down together. You see? So the next thing to do now is to turn your hat like so, the end of your hat like so, and After turning it like so, make sure everything is equal. Place like so and use your sewing needle. When you are sewing, make sure you use the matching thread. As you guys can see, you can use a black thread because it will show when after sewing your hat. But when you use the matching thread, it will rhyme with your fabric, the same color. So next thing to do now is to start stitching the end of the hat like so. Do it in a way it will be hidden. You can see what I'm doing here. In a way it will be hidden. Obviously, you know how to sew now. Just your needle here and there. After doing it, tie it at the back. Just the essence of doing this is to hold this in place, to hide these rough edges. So like so, you lock it up, the end. So like this, you do it till the end. So I'll come back and show you guys the next step. Yes, as you guys can see, I finished stitching the edges down, you see, the fold. So now I'll turn it to the good side. You see, you can see the needle, the thread. You see where it shows, but you cannot see it here. You see? So now the next thing to do is to place your hat like so. Place it like so, like this side facing you, where you stitch together, facing you. Make sure both sides are equal. You see? So now the next thing to do is to put my needle like so. Make sure everything is equal before you do this stage. Fold like so. Like we will be running a plate, making plates. You see? Plates. Like so. Use your needle to hold them together. Hold this side together. Make sure when you are putting your needle, make sure you are not holding the whole hat together. Just here, you see, just watch out in order not to sew together the whole hat. So the next thing again to do is to let's put it like so, so that it will not be. So now we'll do the next plate like so. You see, hold together. I will continue doing this till the end, and I'll come back and show you guys the next step. Just the essence of doing all this just to place your plate. You have to make sure you use your pin to hold together. You see, like so, continuously. I will continue like this till the end. I will come back and show you guys the next step. As you guys can see, I finished pinning the whole thing down, the plates. Remember I told you before we are making plates. So step by step. I've finished pinning it down. Now I'll take it to my sewing machine and sew it from here to here this side to this side, exactly how I put my pins. So I'll come back and show you guys after sewing it down. Yes, the hat is ready. It's ready, but right now I'm going to go ahead to make like a flower design, something like this. You see the shape? I'll use it to place it here as our design decoration, just to decorate the hat, to make it beautiful, to elaborate it. So what you need for the flower is cut out fabric that measures 52 inches length, 52 inches. You can cut as much as you want, because the bigger the better. When you cut your bigger fabric for the flower, for your design, it's like the finishing touches you do to the hat to decorate it, to make it look beautiful. So the bigger the better. So but now I'm working with a fabric that measures 52 inches length and the 9 inches width. So the next thing to do is to fold your fabric. I'm using black today. I don't want to use this green, just to differentiate it, to make it look different and beautiful. So you fold it into two like so. Fold like two into two. When you fold into two, use your needle, your sewing needle again. You start at the end here, the folded side, not this side. But it depends. If you want to go with this the folded side to be up and this the two sides to be down, it's totally up to you. But right now I'll be doing from the folded side. Use your needle, use a matching thread. So I'll go ahead now and insert a black thread. This is green thread I was working with before. I will put a black thread to go with this and start putting them together like so, like you're gathering. Use your needle to gather. You see, your needle to get like we are gathering the edges. You see, but I will come back and show you guys the next step. Yes, I finished making the flower for decoration, just the same way I did this, just gathering, you see. So you guys can see this one is small and this one is bolder, and that's the way I want it. So I'll go ahead and place it right in front of where I place my stitches. I place the gathers. I'll go ahead and then put it like this. At this stage, you can use your glue. You can use your fabric glue. But I'm going to sew it down. I'm going to sew it down to my hat like so. I'll put all this to like so and sew it down to my hat. I'll go ahead now and start doing it. You can see I'm sewing it down to the hat. If I sew this side, I'll bring it this side just to go like crisscross. So I'll keep on doing this till the end. See how it's coming out at the back to hide up all these edges. So I'll continue doing this till the end. I'll come back and show you guys the final look of the hat. Yes, as you guys can see, I've finished putting our black flower decoration. You see the whole idea. So I will go ahead and place this on top. I'll place it like so. I'll use my glue and then set it like so to be on top. So let's go ahead and do it. I'll just put my glue. End of the fold. Just put the glue generously. But you can equally use your needle to sew it down. Yes, I've already put the glue. Now I'm trying to press it down on top of the black flower to hold it down. And I'll allow it to dry up. You see? Allow it to dry for a few seconds. Then I will show you guys the final look. I'm just pressing it down to make it stick on top of the black flower. So I will allow it to dry. I'll come back to show you guys the final look. Our hat is ready. See? Yes, our turban hat is ready. Our easy turban hat is ready. You guys can see the decoration. You know, turban hat is all about decoration. It depends on the style of flower or any decoration you put in place. That will bring out the beauty of the hat at the end. So you guys can see now, look at, this is the final look. I added this green to contrast the black to give it more beauty. So I'll go ahead now and try it on to show you guys the final look, the moment of truth. You can see I'm putting it on top of my hair. Yeah, this is braided wig anyway, but I'm putting it on. You guys can see the beauty. You can equally put it on without your wig, on just your hair, your natural hair. So yeah, isn't it beautiful? This is the back and this is the front. Hey, I'm loving the hat. Please, thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe and like the video. If you have any question, just feel free, leave your message. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching again. Remain blessed.